Hey guys, we are in Big Bear and today we visited the Big Bear Lake Branch Library, which is a great little library. It's part of the San Bernardino Public Library System. I was really impressed with how many books they had. We went right into the children's section, didn't have a chance to look at anything else, just the children's section. Which is no surprise because that's originally where we go with all of our kids. So we were looking at some books and we had such a great time here. I'm having a little nostalgic moment with these magazines. They're in those pocket sleeves like when I was a kid, and it just gave me all the feels. We're just reading books, exploring new books that we can get for my classroom. I like to do this over the summer and try to read some books and see what I can incorporate in my classroom. And this is just a great way of saving money as a teacher as well. I encourage you to visit the library this summer and every day if you can. Have a great day, guys.